What's up, everybody? 101boxbreaks.com. We are starting off with some Topps Chrome Jumbo. 5 chrome autographs per box. There's the other 2. Number 3 is up right now, guys. I think it has like 8 or 9 spots left in it. These are kind of cool the way they work. Lots of chance at extras and bonuses. Check it out. We're going to go over here to the random sheet. We got Topps Chrome Jumbo, number 2 of 4. We got Tom M, James C.O., Keaton L, Jonathan S, James, Jefferson A, Chris V.A., James, Chris P.O., Jonathan, Chris V.A., and Blair B. All right, I just got to remove this top bar here. Move these bad boys on up a spot. I like to put the cursor at the bottom. That's what I always do. We're going to randomize it 3 times. That's going to be our pack order. Good luck to you guys. From 101boxbreaks.com. Now, the randomizations for the giveaways, the Cooperstown baseball, and things like that, that does not happen, guys, until after number 4 is sold out. So here we go. Number 1. Boom, 12 items on our list. Time stamped up, all that fun stuff. Number 2. There's number 2. All right, pack order coming at you. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Bam! Keaton, Chris, James, Chris, Jonathan, Tom, James, Blair, Jonathan, James, Jefferson, and Chris. Here we go. Keaton L starting us off, huh? We got a box of Topps Chrome Jumbo. The Aussie is falling in the back. It happens. Tried to put him in a new place tonight, and I don't think it's going to work. All right, guys. Hope everybody's having a great week. Tomorrow's Friday. Certified Friday. Certifiable Friday. Got some nasty Wonkas for the weekend. You will not believe. 1 through 6. 7 through 12. Empty box. Flip these back over like so, and here is pack 1 for Keaton L. Good luck to you, Keaton. Here we go. It's the new stuff, but not so new, so we'll go through it a little faster than we did last night. While still taking our time, we've got Zach Wheeler, Anthony Ronaldo, Dylan Bettences, Addison Russell, Jacoby Ellsbury, Brandon Moss. How about an X-Fractor Javi Baez? Very nice. These are non-numbered, but that's a beautiful card. And Keaton, why not? Yorman Rodriguez on card. Rookie auto, Yorman Rodriguez for Cincinnati and Keaton L. There you go, Keaton. Nice Topps Chrome rookie auto for you. Little boom to start us up, and then we've got Mikey Trout, Chase Utley, George Springer, Luis Alberto Bonilla, and Yasiel Puig at the back of the pack. So that does it for pack 1. 1 auto out of the way. Keaton L, congratulations. All right, if you remember from last night, I've just got to make a post-it. Boom, Keaton, there you go. Pack number 2 going to Chris V.A. Vizance, here it is. Good luck to you, sir. We're on pack number 2 of Topps Chrome Jumbo. Box break number 2, pack breaks, guys. Let's start it off with a Jacques. Nice Jacques Peterson Chrome rookie. Aroldis Chapman. Bihar. Nice Bryce Harper right there. And then Jose Abreu. Mitch Moreland. Look at that little punch out. No big deal. DeHunter Navarro purple border. That's going to be 211 out of 250. can see that up there at the top. Nice Dioner Navarro. Catcher started with the Dodgers organization. Polanco refractor. Not bad. Eric Corrier. Cargo. Jake Lamb. David Wright. Matt Barnes and Mark Teixeira. So pack 2 down. Chris VA with pack number 2. All right, who's in the on-deck circle? James C.O. with pack number 3. Good luck to you, Mr. C.O. Here we go. All right, we got Pablo Sandoval, Carlos Martinez, Inciarte, James Shields. How about Javi Baez, Anthony Rendon, and then Ryan Howard X-Fractor. Where's that focus at? Nice Ryan Howard X-Fractor right there. And Raisel Iglesias, Cincinnati, them Reds on fire. Nice Topps Chrome rookie on-card auto, non-numbered as well on the Raisel Iglesias. Rosny Castillo, Sean Doolittle. Hey, Chris Bryant. Beautiful Chris Bryant rookie. Mike Moustakas and Tui Vailala. St. Louis. All right. One more note. Up next, Chris VA with this next pack. He had 2 spots in the break. So does James C.O. and Jonathan S. Off the top of my head anyway, guys. All right, so this next one's for Chris VA. This is pack number 4. Jonathan S., you're on deck, and then Tom is in the hole. Let's start with Adam Eaton. Prince Fielder. Mike Napoli. Matt Adams. Mad Bomb. And Stephen Moya, the Detroit Tigers. Beautiful Stephen Moya coming your way. Chris VA. There you go. We're already 3 autos in, guys. Nice Stephen Moya right there. Nice little mini boom for you. Kyle Seager, refractor. Coutier. Michael Taylor. Nice action shot. Look at the Jeet. Beautiful Derek Jeter. Iconic pose there. McCain. Justin Morneau. And Brandon Crawford. So congratulations, Chris VA. Nice little auto for you right there. Okay, here we go. Jonathan S. Good luck to you, Trout Slayer JMS on the chat. We got a beautiful Sonny Gray. Jonathan Shoup for Jonathan S. Ramis Elias, All-Star rookie. Stalin Castro. Udar. Garrett Richards. James Shields. X-Factor, James Shields. Those are non-numbered guys. And then we've got Francisco Lindor. Beautiful rookie there. Denard Spahn for Washington. Then there's John Lester. Michael Brantley. Adrian Beltre and Hanram himself. All right, let me make a little post-it for Jonathan S. Up next is Tom M.Y. Good luck to you, Tom. And Boom. Here we go. Getting to the halfway point here. We got Tom M. Wall up. Take pack number 6. James C.O. is on deck. And then we got Blair B. in the hole. Here we go. So for Tom, we got Carlos Santana, Strasburg, Ian Kinsler, Edwin Escobar, Giancarlo Stanton, Micah Johnson, Anthony Ronaldo. Future stars. Those are beautiful cards right there, guys. Then we got Matt Shoemaker, and that's a refractor. Evan Longoria, Evan Gattis, Robinson Cano, David Peralta, and Will Myers. So there you go, Tom, with pack number 6. Now remember, guys, if you go auto-less, you're getting into the entry for the Cooperstown box. Plus, everybody that buys in gets an entry for a different Cooperstown box and a Ryan Sandberg gold ink auto. And I say gold ink because I've actually seen silver ones. I don't know if the pin ran out or what, but all right, James C.O., we got another one here for you. You actually have 3 spots in this break. Here's your second. Pack number 7 for James C.O. That's S.A. Spur Fanatic on the chat. Ian Desmond. Victor Martinez. Then we have Miguel Alfredo Gonzalez, rookie there. The Kid, Clayton Kershaw. Brandon Finnegan. This is hot. Carlos Rodon. Then Carlos Martinez. That's an X Factor there. Nice card. And Gallery of Greats, Bryce Harper. It's a non-numbered version, but a beautiful B-Harp right there. Melvin Mercedes. Look at this guy. Simmons laying it all on the line. Good job, Andrelton. Kyle Seager. Matt Schumacher and Gregory Polanco. So there you go, James C.O. Up next, Blair B. Here we go, Blair. Good luck to you. Should be pack number 8 going to Blair B. Still have 2 more autos hiding out there. Let's start with Aramis Ramirez, Nick Tropeano, Jacob deGrom, Stephen Moya. This kid's hot. Masahiro Tanaka, All-Star rookie. Then we got Samuel Tuivanala, Future Stars. Beautiful card. This one's pretty hot. Jacob Lindgren. Nice Yankees rookie on card auto. Jacob Lindgren. Cards are shiny. Congratulations, Blair B. Very nice hit for you right there. Shiny means slippery too, huh? And then we got Simmons laying out again, but this one's the refractor version. All right, Billy Hamilton, Jordan Zimmerman, Justin Verlander, Ryan Rua, and Alex Gordon. I love the picks. The guy's just laying out for the ball. You can't beat that kind of entertainment. Blair B, there you go. Jonathan S is up next. We got James C.O. on deck. Jefferson A and Chris P.O. after them. Here we go, Jonathan. Good luck to you, sir. 4 packs left. At least 1 auto. Carlos Rodon. Cargo. Garrett Richards. Brandon Moss. Anthony Rendon. Cargo Refractor. Yziel Puig Chrome Commencements. Beautiful card right there. And then we got Ender Inciarte, and that's an X-Fractor. Up next, we've got Kendall Graveman, Christian Yelich, Daniel Norris, Phil Hughes, and Xavier Scruggs. So there you go, Jonathan S. There's your second pack. And now we got James Seal coming at you. Here's James's last pack. He had 3 in the break. Thanks, James, for helping fill it up, man. I really do appreciate it. Here we go. We got Max Scherzer, Chris Sale, Deoner Navarro, Kevin Gossman, Yachty, Chris Owens. This is hot. Future Stars Jacques Peterson. Wow. Nasty little SA Spur Fanatic pull right there. Non-numbered, but a beautiful card. Salvador Perez, Devon Travis, Brad Ziegler, Buster Posey, Craig Kimbrell, and King Felix to round out your pack. So a couple really nice inserts and rookie cards for you there, James. We got 2 packs left. This is Jefferson AM right here. Good luck to you, Jefferson. Or Jeff, sorry. Likes to go by Jeff. Good luck to you, Jeff. We got Hunter Pence, Michael Franco, Papelbon, Adam Jones, Nelson Cruz, Masahiro Tanaka, All-Star rookie. Then we got Pablo Sandoval and Christian Walker. Bam! On-card rookie auto. Baltimore, Jeff A.M. There you go. Nice little hit for you right there. And then we've got Yordanio Ventura, Hunter Strickland, Marcelo Suna, Corey Spangenberg, and Joe Mauer. All right, so I need to make Jefferson a tag here. Then we'll get on to our last pack. Chris Pio. Got your tag made for you right there, buddy. All right, Chris, here we go. Warm it up, Chris. We got pack number 12 out of the jumbo box, guys. Dustin Pedroia, Colton Wong, All-Star rookie, Melky Cabrera, Edwin Encarnacion, Corey Kluber, and then J.J. Hardy. That's a green border refractor for you right there. It's 84 out of 99. I think on a box 1 we got a Korea, but not an auto, just a regular card. Melvin Mercedes, Bryce Brents, Jonathan LaCroix, Christian Walker, Cucho, Charlie Blackmon, and Salvador Perez closing us out, guys. That does it for Topps Chrome Jumbo Baseball box number 2. Little pack break there. Like I said, if you did not get an auto or a 101, which we haven't pulled yet, but if you did not get an auto out of these breaks, guys, you're going to get entered for a Cooperstown baseball box. I'm also giving a baseball box of Cooperstown away to everybody, one of everybody that got into the break, and we got an 8x10 Sandberg Gold Ink auto coming your way. Number 3 is up, guys. I'm going to go ahead and save this video. I'll be right back with you. We're coming back for Inception Football. It's Heavy D, the Boom Factory, 101boxbreaks.com.